Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I am Aleeza. In today's video, we are going to create a sports fan page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So for this, we need to use codepen.io IDE. So this is the IDE which we are going to use. So for creating a new web page or a new project, you'll need to click over here, pen, and this pen. Okay. So I've already created one, so I'll click on that. So it's just the same thing. Only I have just renamed it as sports fan page. I have saved my project so that any changes won't get deleted, and also click on the fork over here. So I have done all the things. Now it's ready to start. So first I'll just open the HTML part. Basically, what first in HTML and all the web pages, this web page, what we need in HTML is, you can see the notepad here. The main styling of the HTML is, you should first add a tag HTML, then you should end the HTML tag. Inside this HTML tag, you have head, then you end that head, then after that we have the body, then we end the body. Now over here in the head you can add the title you have. So then in the body we have all the things like h1, one h1. I'll just end the tag also. So this is h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, h6, then hr, such things you can have, the div you can have in that, and many other things. So let's see what we have to add over here now. The first, as I showed you, the styling is HTML first of all. So I added that tag. Then I'll also close the tag that time only. Wait. So I'll just open the that mouth and take this /HTML. So click on enter. Now I'll take the head tag. Head tag, we don't have to put anything because it is empty as per this project. So I'll keep this empty only. So I'll just forgot to put the slash. Alright, so this is the head. Now I'll go down and make up the body. So body. Okay, the body is there. I'll also close it so that later on I don't forget to do that. Now what we have is, we have to inside the body here you can see, oh, 1 minute, sorry. Yes, so inside the body, inside after the y you need to keep enter a space, right? ID is equal to, then that quotation marks and main. Okay, now after this we will add h1. So we'll press enter, open a new tag h1, and also close that tag. Alright, inside the h1 I'll write Saina Nehwal, because this is a sports fan page. So you have to just mention any sports person you want to write about. So I want to talk about Saina Nehwal, so I am writing about her. Okay, and also this ID we have choose so that later on in the CSS and JS part we don't get confused while giving it a style or any function, and we just directly write ID main and all, so that it's easy for the computer also and us also to understand. All right. So after this we will give a, now after this h1 we will also make another tag which will be h4. Now we'll not close this tag first, we'll make a space, then write that id is equal to h4. Okay, now we will close it. And also this thing is not important. If you is it okay, it is okay if you don't write id is equal to h4. It is again the same thing, to just to not confuse you and the computer. We are giving ids to each and every element of it, and then we are continuing. So inside the h4 I will put some text about Saina Nehwal. So I have some text selected, so I'll copy that. Okay, so over here, alright. Uh, yes, you can see it's all written over here. after this, I'll not end the h4 tag now. I will end that, but not now. So I'll click on enter. Now I'll write here br. Br is just a tag to end the, no, to give space between some paragraphs and all. So I have given br. Now I will add another para which I want. You can add one single br also, or else you can add like two times also. Let's see. We will see what happens. So I've added a single br. Now let me see what will happen if I do two times br. So there are two lines space. If I had just added one br that time, so there was only one line space there. See? So I'll just keep two so that it looks neat and clean, right? Now, as I go ahead, I will add again br tag again one. So there are two br tags again. Now again I want to add another paragraph related to sign and error. Okay, so after this BR, I click on enter. Over here, I will paste my para, right? So, see, I have started the h4 tag, given it the ID, then wrote them. I gave the paragraph which I want to write. Then I gave two times BR tag, then another para, then again two BR tags, another para. Now I will go. I click on enter and end the h4 tag. So it's been completed actually. And one more thing, I wanted to tell you about this H1 and all. So in that, what exactly we have is H1 is the tag to give title, which will be the main part of the web page. Then we have H2, which is the second important part. Then we have the H3, which is only just an important part, not that important. Right, so if you see what I have written, you will understand better than my saying because I was a little confused in telling you about that. Alright, so let's move ahead. So we finished with the h4 tag also. Now this HTML part is completed. You can see like sign and eval and all the paragraphs are going towards the left part. And for styling, we use CSS. CSS is a styling part, so I'll first style up with the body. Let's see what we have to do now. So as we have to just style up the body part of it, of the web page, I have written body, open the curly brackets and press enter. Over here I'll write background color. So here you can see um, this one. So I've choose this one. I have taken two colons. Then I'll choose any color which I want. I can either type any color over here, so this can't see, or else if I don't want any color, something like that, if I'm not getting a good color, so I'll need to go to assets at the bottom left. Here you will see free design assets, so you'll click on colors, click the color. Okay, so you need to choose any color you want, so I'll choose this. Okay, so I have choose this color. I have just clicked on it and you can see it has been copied. So I go back, I click over here and I just do Control V, or else I'll paste it over here. So it will be something like this. Okay, so then after that I want a color, only a color I want for the text. So I've chosen white because it's the dark background is dark, so light colors will look good on it. So see, the color looks good. Now what we will do is we will click enter. Now we have to write here. As we have taken that tag h1, I'll write here h1 and open the curly brackets, close them. Now I will choose the thing. Now this part is optional for you. I want to choose the color for the h1, which is this Saina Nehwal. Okay, so I will choose some color which would look good over here. Maybe let's see. Yes, it is looking good, but I would like to choose some another color which will match with the combinations. All right. dark colors would also look good on this. Sorry. Okay. Now after this color choosing, we will select the text align. So this you have to select this one colon and I'll do center. See the sign and Haval text is being come to the center, right? Also, one thing you can do is if you want, where we should put that over here, H1. I can choose this. Over here, we have taken H1. Below that, I'll open another tag which will be about HR. I just write that tag and it will be enough. You don't need to do anything else. So see, you have a single line over here created so that it looks something or separate. To this, what we will do is we can change the color for the alignment for H4. So I have taken H4. Now text align center. So this also looks somewhat good at center. Then I would give it a one. Yes, we can give a border style to it. I'll not give the border style to H4 only. The whole body I'll give. So over here, border solid. Right? We'll see. See over here. So I think I'll try border color as black because otherwise everything will look same white. Alright, this is also looking good. Or else pink. Dark pink. Dark golden red. Alright, no issues. Alright, so I think this so that's it for this video. And in this video it was very simple and short it was, but I think the videos become a little bigger. And the thing that in this for the JS again we don't have anything. And so I'll just explain you the code again for once in short. So in the HTML we have first an HTML tag, then we have head tag, then we have the body. So inside the body tag we have id is equal to main, then we have h1 and then we have sign and heval and the h1 tag is closed. Then next line we have hr which gives a line to it. uh, yes, so in hr this line has been given to us. H4 is the paragraph. So this is the first para which we have given. Then we have given two BR tag so that we get some space for writing the other tag, other para. Then the other paragraph is this. Then again two BR tags I have taken over here. So here again also we have a little space. Then another para I have. Then the H4 tag is being closed. Then the body tag is also being closed and the HTML tag is also being closed. Then last comes the CSS part. Over here first we have the body, which is background color is this blue, turquoise kind of blue it is. So I have taken the color from the assets in the colors over here. Then the color white I have taken for the text. Oh yes. Then the border solid. The border which is there over here, this is solid. Then the border color we have is dark golden red. You can see the color is a little different, like dark yellowish color it is, but over here it is as dark golden red rod. Then this tag is also been closed. Then we have h1 curly brackets open. Next line we have color. Color is been for the h1, the color is yellow, so I have chosen it from the assets, that is why it is something like this. Then text align, it is center. Then h4 we have, in that also the text align is center and nothing else we have done. So that's it. And all the hashtag colors I will mention in the description box. If you want to add the same colors, you can copy paste it from there. Also on the video what is programming part 2 tools for kids types of programming by Aleeza Codes. On that video I have got few comments, so I would like to read that. So one of the comment from Yashra Sheikh, and she have written that her efforts are seen in this video. So thank you so much for the comment, and yes, many of you people like this video a lot, so thank you for that. Then there is a video comment from a unique ID. So it is been it says good explanation. Keep growing.
Thank you everyone for such a lovely comments.
So I hope you like the video. If yes, please hit the bell icon, like the video, share, comment below, and subscribe to my channel Aleeza Codes. And that's it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.